Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add items to your TikTok showcase. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on TikTok Studio. Once you're on here, you can just scroll down and you can go to TikTok Shop for Creator. So I'm going to click on that. And then click on Product Marketplace. You can also go on Manage Showcase as well, which I'll show you in a minute. And obviously this will bring up a load of products and different categories you can go on. So if you see any that you like, you can obviously just click on them and it'll tell you the commission in red on there, how much you can earn every time you sell that product. Then all you have to do is click on these two lines, two arrows near the bottom. And it should give you the option to add to showcase. So you just want to click on that and select continue if you want to earn extra commission as well. Then it will be added to your cart in the top right hand side. So the other way you can do this is if you come out of here and click on Manage Showcase. And then at the top you have Manage and Discover. So you can click on Discover. And again, this will bring up a lot of products you can promote. You can add to your showcase. So if you find any you like, just click on them. And again, click on these two arrows at the bottom. That will give you the option to add to showcase. Once you've done that, you can click on this little basket symbol on the top right. That'll bring you to your showcase list. So you can obviously manage this list as well. You can click on the three dots on the right hand side of a product. And it'll give you options to find similar products. You can move that product to the top so it's more visible for people who are looking at your site. You can also hide it and remove the product as well. So that's how you can add items to your TikTok showcase. Thanks for watching.